I think without innovation, we cannot move forward. And we have seen a great accelerated development in innovation of technology in every field. And as you know, the innovation centers of the world are now moving to the east. They are in Asia, and particularly they are in China. So we will see a lot of innovations, new technologies emerging in the future in China. And the most important thing now is that every innovation is focusing on the green technology. So the environmental friendly, so I think the consciousness about the climate change is becoming more important now in every area. This is all a part of the high quality development, the innovation, the environmental friendly. These are the indicators for high quality development. So the Chinese market will grow further, China will attract more investment from foreign countries, and China will develop more into the new technology area. Innovation, greenery, and of course the digital, and then the sharedness, the harmonious. So I think these things will become the pillars of China's future progress.